Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass application is not launching on your PC. So the first method would be to go to Microsoft Store, and on Microsoft Store you want to go to Library. Then on Library you want to go ahead and find Xbox, just like so. And if you will see here something like so, update, you want to go ahead and fully update this application. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go to search, then write down Xbox, then right click on it and go to app settings. On app settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see terminate. You want to go ahead and click on that. Once you will terminate, then you're going to click repair. And if that didn't fix the problem, then you want to completely reset it. Now, another method would be to go to time and date and time, and then set your date and time correctly, and just make sure that it is set so automatically and that it is correct. Now, once you've done that, you want to also click Sync Now option. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go to Installed Apps. On Installed Apps, you can go ahead and search for Xbox. And here you want to go ahead and just uninstall it. Once you will uninstall it, again, go back to Microsoft Store and install it here again. You will see it there. Now, if the problem didn't fix anything, if these methods didn't fix anything, then you want to go ahead and open up Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. And then click yes. After that, you're going to enter two commands, which I'm going to leave in the description for you to copy. So the first one would be this one. And the second one, let me copy. Here it is. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and get Gaming Services. Download it, install it. And once you will do that, you want to go ahead, restart your PC, and the problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.